What do you call a cow that goes to church? Holy cow! I don't find that funny. Sorry. Honestly, this feeling really drowning me like rain in summer. And I really don't believe that it took me so long.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid.
Made it.
I need a change.
Airbnb there in one of them units there. I can show you everything, cause by the time I left here, so by the time I put up every day, I've gone from here for a long time. So, ladies and gentlemen, just reached Atlantic City. Don't here for the week. I have a special person when I go introduce to the channel. Not yet, no, I'm going inside. Long time in the vlog, you know. But by the time when you see the vlog, yeah, we left Atlantic City probably around 2 months now. Got October this. I'm probably not posting none of them videos until January. I feel like I'm going to start back YouTube in January. But today is just a rainy day. I'm worried because themselves have a flood. Because you know Atlantic City with it. And it's literally a city. Water over here, so water over here, so. We have a couple more minutes before we can go check in, so. I'll reach back inside, I'm going to link up, and I'm going to know more details, and I'm going to know everything what I want, so. Alright, so I'm going on a quick tour of the place. I'm going to come in, you know what I mean, of this. To this side is the kitchen. Nice little kitchen, spacious. And you come this side now, you have a huge opening door, patio the outside. Right. Then you come around here, so this is the living room. Living room huge. And we have the TV on the wall. We're going upstairs. We have a next bedroom in here, so. Now you have the bathroom. You have to show you look bad, nah lie. And you have me over here. So yeah. Focus. So yeah, we're at Atlantic City right now, and as I said, we just reached, so I'm gonna pack out, do a couple more things, and then we check in back with them. We are about to cook, we buy food when we go cook, so you don't know from kitchen there, I'm gonna deal with the badness, I'm gonna go cook, so I'm not gonna see that. And come over here, so now you have the next room. This is the master bedroom. So the big room have your own bathroom. Bathroom is set up different. You now have the rain shower like the next one. Have this. But same way. You see the mirror and sink again. And that's me. So right now we just walk out the car. Bring out the snacks them and all of them something there. And we are about to pack up in here and make it at home. Yo, this is a real wine? I tell you one small bottle of ketchup. You go in the store and you buy the biggest one, lad.
That was the smallest one.
Look on this. You know how much I like? You don't want to ketchup? You can have this. Oh, this is a fear. You buy this for yourself. Basmati rice. Can't go wrong with the basmati. Always remember to hydrate, kids. Don't drink of some water.
You said that being nice.
Eh?
Being nice, I make.
I go season it up and put it in the fridge, make it marinate. And we buy ackee for cook for dinner tonight. We have festival of tonight. We have a saltfish, butter bean, baked bean.
It's not baked bean.
Oh, big.
A butter bean. That.
Butter bean and baked bean, the same bean.
And this not.
Only, you mean is today.
Rep.
Right now, I got to Go just to the badness with the festival them. Watch the saltfish now, because saltfish will boil over quick. I feel like this, we probably need to put a little bit more sugar in it and a little tip of salt, because sometimes they don't make it so salt or need sugar. Only them little sugar here me have, so me have to. You ever need festival before?
Yeah.
So you never gonna need the festival. Yo man, you make it saltfish boil over, you know. You know what you can do? Make your pot now boil over. Get one wooden spoon and put it over the pot. Never go boil over. You know that? Learn that in a college. You never go to college, you laugh?
No.
So why you laugh?
I already knew that.
Tony, you make we have a talk. This week you can share though. If I not me eat bread, I may just eat the festival. If you need festival before you know, so you have to put on this, make it sleep. And just rest. You have to put on like a blanket.
Like a blanket.
And now follow me go over here.
Where are we going?
Over here.
Hello.
Never know how you say microwave there. Alright, so if you can see the saltfish, it's boiling. We cut the onion wrong. You know if you cut the eye of the onion, you're gonna cry. We cut it wrong. So this just done season up already. And both just put this in the fridge for marinate. I wonder if they have no cover for this. I'm probably have to go just wrap it with paper towel. Take me some big pot cover, but more have to cover the ackee. And put a plate over it. Put in the fridge. So tomorrow, this is dinner for tomorrow. And they don't season up and marinating from tonight. So tomorrow, we're supposed to go to go. Hold on, we have a butter bean though. In there, so. Alright, good. 10 minute girl instead market, not a ackee, don't say. I know so I go down. Send me ackee girl instead market, not a quacky, don't sell. And me say why Nicky wine it? I know so I go again. 2 different songs I mix up. Send me ackee girl instead market, not a ackee.
Still singing
Quacky,
it wrong.
quacky.
No, send me Aki, Garlinsted Market.
Send me ackee girl instead market, not a ackee, don't sell. Oh, this nanny?
Everybody come.
And nanny this?
No, sir.
Yo, you pick up a saltfish like a Jamaican restaurant. Look how they do it fine. Look how you do it fine. 2 bowl of ackee. Remember now we just cook some and save some. How are them some in the ackee them, yo?
You know the milk pot?
Oh, they never pick the ackee good.
No.
So this rise a little bit. Yo, you cut up the ackee fine like say you used to cook for enough people. Like you used to cook for a side.
That is salty.
Saltfish, yes. So that.
No.
You used to cook for workman at Jamaica. More. I cook for saltfish so fine. Put it.
Yes, so much of you.
40 minutes on. Quick.
So that you do?
Quick.
No, that's the first man.
Let me know when you mash up your quick. That's all you need to pour. Festival time. Remember, you know, this amount of festival we have to use pot small, so we can't really. Remember, this is going to swell up. Oi. Yo, them are fried too quick. Lord God, turn the stove, put it on low. We forgot the black pepper, and we never bring the black pepper over here. Have it taste again, we never really get a good taste.
How much more taste I got this before you never told a pot?
To be sure. Yeah, I wish you could have smell them. But, hey, beautiful. Again, yo, this is soft, yeah. Wow. To my food, yeah. 2 slices of bread, cup of fish, and my ackee and saltfish. 1 slice of bread, cup of fish. I don't want no food, man. I'm hungry. Wow. Okay, it's looks delicious. People, I can cancel this and then link on the back. Talk to you later.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.